over $1,200,200,200,000,000,000.
Real American heroes.
Today we salute you, Mr. Kayak Bass Fisherman. While all those other guys are at the boat launch with their fancy schmancy bass cats and skeeters, you're rolling up with 87 pounds of hot pink polyethylene strapped to the roof of a Honda Civic.
You take my breath away.
But you don't give a damn, because you, my friend, are the Lance Armstrong of bass fishing, but with two functional bobbers.
Running free.
Who needs horsepower when you have good old-fashioned pedal power? You are a true cardio-crushing machine, with glutes of a god slaying hogs 1 calorie at a time.